Alright, so we've had a little bit of a disaster and it appears Tony got stuck. I'll show you.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll
best to get myself outside there. Oh, well, good morning. So we found ourselves a beach car park near Cley next to the sea. Another stealth camp last night. This looks like a good location, so let's get on the outside and have a look. Don't forget your tea. And let's not forget you. Apologies if it's windy. So, don't know if you can see in the background up there. That's where we parked last night. Stunning. What a morning. What another find. Beach, the parking, that close, and it's free. Yeah, really good. So it's a park just there, man. The beach just here. We have to get up in the morning and watch the sunrise. That was beautiful. So yeah, good place. I don't know what we're going to be doing this afternoon. We might go back to Holkham. So that was lovely there. And if the weather's like this, we should get some nice pictures. We'll do something. So come along with us. Before you get to Holkham, on the left hand side there's Adnams of Southwold, which is a beer shop. There goes Claire. So be sure to check it out. But when that shop's open, beside the shop are some toilets. Unfortunately, I don't think they're open because the shop's not open. So into Holkham Hall we'll go. No.
That's like my worst nightmare. No. Just have to try the gate and the door and nothing.
The joys of not putting a toilet in the van. Should have gone in your porta potty.
Keep getting contact. Alright, so we've had a little bit of a disaster and it appears Tony got stuck. I'll show you. We've got to be towed down. So I'm going to turn this round and let you watch the action. I don't know how much of that you saw, but we're done, we're out. The lovely people at Holkham have pulled us out and saved the day. Now I can go and have some bacon butty and a cup of tea because I'm starving.
Absolutely stunning park. And a mile that way is Holkham Beach. And over that side that was £8 parking for the whole day. And there's big walks all the way around the lake. And you can get right amongst all the deers.
Yeah. I mean, you get a nice fast shutter speed.
Very nice. It's well worth a visit.
Definitely.
Enjoy it.
Loved it. Loved it. Very beautiful, very peaceful.
Not bad for £3 parking. Right, as said earlier, we are still at Holkham Hall, and it's absolutely gorgeous. You can just see Tony in the background there. It's still a bit windy, but this place is really beautiful. And yes, there are lots of visitors, but you almost feel like you're on your own. I mean, take a look. Might be stuck indoors on a day like today. Here she is. Right, let's get something to eat. Excuse a bit of the mess.
Are we going to have some cake?
Well, I think we are going to have some cake, yes. What are you eating there then?
Golden syrup cake.
What, like the whole cake? Have you got some in your mouth or something?
Yes.
Well, if you're having one, I'm having one. The snack you can eat that will completely ruin your appetite.
Right, so we've decided to move on from Holkham Hall and we're going to go to Castleacre. I believe there's a Priory there, so we're going to drive that way, stop for a spot of lunch and have a look round. See you there.
So where are we now then?
We're at Castleacre Priory.
Yeah.
Just there.
It's now National Trust, so they want £8 to go and have a little walk round there. Weren't much of a detour as we're heading back to Suffolk, so yeah, a bit disappointing though.
It is.
And I don't even know if we joined it.
Than Thetford's. Priory ruins.
No.
You can just walk around them.
Yeah. I don't know, even if you become a member of the National Trust, whether it becomes free to walk in there.
You've still got to pay.
You've still got to pay.
You just have to pay. Members are free.
Take that back. If you become a National Trust member, members are free. So there you go. Maybe that's what we should do. Maybe we should become National Trust members, and then
because there's lots of places. There are lots of places we keep ending up at that we have to pay to get into because they're National Trust. I'm going to go and check out membership.
so I lost out on that one. Definitely becoming National Trust members now. I'm just retrieving the wallet. So there you go, more excuses to get out and about in Great Britain. It's a good thing, I suppose, really. It keeps all these places open. No doubt we'll come out with some kind of pencil and a teddy bear from the gift shop. So here we go.
That's great, thanks very much. I can't scan you through at the moment because Joe's on the till, but I'll do it once. Okay, will you say the email address?
I was being moaning 2 minutes ago about how expensive it was. And 2 minutes later I've spent even more money. Oh, this
However,
is nice.
it's not too bad. It's, what was it, £8.25 a month
Yep.
for a couple. And then that gets us into places like this for free. And also parking, it covers your parking.
Yeah, it covers the parking, which will be a good thing, because that can get expensive,
Yeah.
as we found out earlier on. So there you go, Castle Acre. The whole idea of this camper build is that we'll save some money by making sure that we actually use the camper and not spend all our money in gift shops and tea rooms. We've done pretty bad so far. Just wouldn't believe it was February, would you?
Cool summer's day, isn't it?
Yeah. This is
The Monk's Dormitory
the Monk's Dormitory.
and day stair. Okay. So up there is the dormitory. And there's the staircase.
Oh, yeah. There's the staircase up to their living quarters, which was up there. Sweet. Your favourite? Narrow, dark stairs. Please take great care. Oh, there goes wobble on these things.
I'm following you up.
Blimey, I can't just get my little toe on these. Right, you ready for the stairs of doom? So yeah, the Desert Rat Memorial. This is where the famous World War II desert rats trained, all in this area. So we've just come for a quick stop and a look round here. I've never been down here before, and it's on our doorstep really. And it's by Mundford, which is in between Swaffham and Thetford. We're going to have a look at this tank. So a bit of a dilemma we've got at the moment is, do we go and have some lunch in the forest, or do we push on to home? Just behind me at the back there is Thetford Forest, and then big military range just to the side here, and we've just stopped there. So now, cheese, crackers, tea, glorious sunshine, and the last bit of the outdoors for today. It's been a great weekend, relatively cheap up to the joining the National Trust in English Heritage. Hey, that may encourage us to get out a little bit more.
See you soon.
Bye for now.